Hey, how you guys doing? It's your boy Prince coming at you. So today I'm going to show you another bass line for all you beginners. Something you can practice and I think have some of the same movements of the C major scale. So the aim here is always to get you, playing along your fretboard, moving freely. That free flowing movement. So that's the aim here. So this bass line, I think it's a simple bass line that I think you can get with a couple of practice and get you, just get your movement moving along your fretboard. How about that? Okay. So I'm doing at 60 beats per minute. All right. It's a simple reggae bass line. Here you go. Alright, so let's break it down now. So as I said, it's in A, that's your E string, 5th fret. Again, it's what? A string, E string, note A on your 5th fret. What is it? E string on your 5th fret. Okay, that's A. That's C sharp, which is on your A string 4th fret. Where it is on your A string 4th fret. Then you have D, which is also on your A string 4th fret. Okay, so C sharp and D is on your A string 4th fret. Then you have E, you have F sharp. F sharp is on your D string 4th fret, right? Whereas your F sharp on your D string 4th fret. Okay? Then you have A. A is also on your D string 7th fret. Okay? D string 7th fret. Okay? Then you have, that's your E, which is on your A string 7th fret. Okay? A string 7th fret. Then you have G sharp, which is on your D string. It's on your D string 6th fret. Okay? G sharp, D string 6th fret. Then you have, which is your B, right? B is on your, also on your D string, and that's your 9th fret. Okay? Alright, so once you have all that, then you can play the bass line. Which if we do it extremely slow, it's alright, and then if we just do it over the timing again one more time, 60 beats per minute. One more time. Alright, so go ahead and practice. Also, let me know the artist and the song this bass line is taken from. Alright, just drop it in the comments. So go ahead and practice, and we shall do another lesson this week coming up. So just keep practicing, alright? And we'll go from there. Peace out.